Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix hard drive not installed in Dell laptop error. Whenever I start the laptop, this problem is showing. Follow me how to fix this problem. This problem mostly occurs on new Dell laptops. First click continues and after clicking continues the laptop will restart. After restarting, press F2 and go to the BIOS setting because sometimes the problem can also be from BIOS. After entering the BIOS settings, simply go to the storage section. After entering the storage section, see SATA and NVMe operation is selected disable. You can select RAID mode or AHCI mode. For example, I will select RAID on mode. You can select any mode. If RAID mode is not supported, then select the AHCI mode. Then save the BIOS setting by clicking the apply and changes button. If you don't understand something, there is load default button next to it. Just click it and save the BIOS setting by pressing the F10 button or click the exit button to save the BIOS settings. The laptop will restart immediately after clicking the exit button. After doing this thing, turn on the laptop. I hope the laptop will start without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.